Good morning from Studio 10 Newsroom at International News Network headquarters here in Jakarta. Good to be with you. I'm Nadia Joviani, bringing you today's top news. Scientists working on the Oxford University coronavirus vaccine say the findings are encouraging. They have published the latest data this morning. After weeks of upsetting headlines, this morning, Oxford University says its vaccine is well tolerated in older adults, and crucially, that it induces an immune response similar to that found in younger people. This raises the hopes that it can protect the age groups most at risk from the virus. There are 3 stages to vaccine trials, and these results come from middle stage phase 2. In phase 2, researchers studied 560 UK volunteers, 240 of whom were over the age of 70. But now, we're still waiting for Oxford's phase 3 results. That's the most comprehensive stage, which involves some 30,000 participants in the US, the UK, Brazil, and South Africa. Oxford may be trailing the 2 other vaccine candidates, Pfizer and Moderna, which are now moving towards being approved by regulators. But still, great hopes are pinned on the team at the university's Jenner Institute vaccine. The Oxford vaccine is expected to be easier to manufacture on a worldwide scale than the other 2. And together with its pharmaceutical partner AstraZeneca, the university is committed to making hundreds of millions of doses available to the developing world. Next on today's news, NASA thinks there could be enough water on the moon to create a lunar base and support humans living there. We already knew that there was water ice hidden on the moon's desert-like surface, but now the thinking is these pockets of water, some no bigger than a penny, could be much more common and accessible than we previously thought. There are tens of billions of potential ice reservoirs on the moon, which greatly expands the potential reservoirs of water that could be accessed for both scientific and exploration purposes. Scientists say that one day, humans could be drinking this water, using it to grow food or splitting its molecules to make rocket fuel, helping us travel deeper into space. According to them, the moon is a lot smaller than here on Earth. The gravity is a lot less, so it's actually more economical for us to launch missions from the surface of the moon than it would be from Earth. And this could be happening anywhere before the end of the century. Scientists have great hopes of humans living in the moon, and they are planning to do a lot of science there that previously cannot be achieved on the shorter missions, for instance, of the Apollo era. In the future, we can expect scientists to use the moon as a launchpad to take science and research onwards deeper into the solar system. This is International Morning News for today. I'm Nadia Joviani. Thank you very much for being here with us, and we'll be back tomorrow with all the latest news on Beyond the International News Network.